Okay, we're gonna do a little interior and engine. Absolutely great running, 6-cylinder, 3.5, 256 horsepower stock. Twin cam. This one's got the chip in the cam sprocket. Inside, beautiful tan leather door panels, airbag steering wheel, mats, slightly mismatched. I didn't realize until after that the driver's seat's a little bit darker than the rest. Cover. Back seats, very, very nice. View through the windows at work here. Square deck, beautiful. Sunroof works. Windows work. Electric seats, upgraded radio, 161,000 miles on the working odometer.